Hello my beautiful people. Tonight I thought I'd do something a little bit different and just go through my skincare products with you and my daily routine. I am a serial product jumper, so most of the products that I'm going to show you are better used in the set that they come in, but I'm really bad in terms of that. I will use different things from different ranges, but it does also depend on your skin and what works for you. So I'm getting ready for bed now, so I thought I'd run you through my nighttime routine and just have a chat of the products that I use. So during the day I use my green tea and tea tree oil cleanser. Now this is great because it's got exfoliating beads in it, but it's also quite a sensitive product. So I have psoriasis in my hair and it does come down onto my face and through my eyebrows. So if it has flared up, I find that that product's actually really sensitive and it doesn't aggravate it, and it just helps to lift any of that dead skin off my face. And then once to twice a week, I use my Clear Skin Pore Penetrating Black Mineral Cleanser. You can see it's very well loved. I'm trying to squeeze the last drop out of this. So this is sort of like a charcoal based product, and it's not Avon, but I use my Dermalogica brush, exfoliating brush, to really buff that into the face, get it into the pores, because it helps unclog them, get rid of the rest of that dead skin and all the other gunk in your face. And I find it actually helps to reduce the size of my pores as well, because I'm really bad through my nose, so this is what I use. And then once a week, after I use my Black Mineral Cleanser, I use my Planet Spa Heavenly Hydration Face Mask. This range is brilliant. I also use the body butter, but I'll do that in another video as well. I find I only need to use this once a week because it doesn't dry out your skin, and it helps to clear out the rest of the gunk that's in there. So after a week at work, and I've used everything else, I use this just to get rid of the remaining bits of yuckiness that's in my skin. And I love the smell of this, I love the feel of it. It's absolutely brilliant. If you can get the range, get the range. It's one I think that I actually use all the products from it. And then last but not least, I use my NeutriFX Mattifying Toner. I definitely use this after I've worn quite a lot of heavy makeup. Again, like I said, I do have dry skin and oily skin. This doesn't dry it out. And I find that some toners, if you have new blemishes or an open blemish, it stings. You can feel like the alcohol that's in it, but this doesn't. I absolutely love this stuff. And again, if my psoriasis has flared up, this doesn't affect it. It actually sort of helps to clear that area. So then, once I've done all that, I then move on to all my creams and all the rest of it. So for my eyes, I use the new Retroactive Youth Extending Eye Gel. The great thing about this product is that it will last you forever, because that little pump is really all you need. That could probably be even too much. And you just got to rub it under the eyes, onto your brow bone, and all over your eyelids. And if you think you're starting to get crow's feet, really rub it into that corner there. So I am going to do another video purely on the new range and how to determine what's the best for your skin and for your age group as well. Avon have these great kits that are a wrinkle test, and I'll do that in the next video, because it shows you how deep your wrinkles might be, and it's got suggestions as to what's going to work best for you. But obviously samples are the best way to go. If you're not sure, just ask, just try something, and that's how you're gonna know. Alright, and then during the day I use my NeutriFX Active C Complex Hydration Daily Cream, which has an SPF of 15. You can see I absolutely love this because you can see all the way through. I need a new one. And for nighttime, I use the Ageless Multi-Action Cream. So this is where I said it is better to use the same one for the night cream. So no, use the hydration for the night. I've mixed it up just because I found this was actually a little bit too heavy for me in the night cream, where this one's actually, it works better for me. And you don't know unless you test and trial. And then the last product that I use all the time, every day, multiple points during the day, and if you had to ask me what's the one product, if they discontinued, I'd be devastated about, it's this guy. It's the Avon Care Protect Lip Balm with vitamin E and grapeseed oil. This has gotten me through so much in life. I can't live, I just can't live without it. As soon as I put it on, I'm happy. Always happy. And I just realised I didn't even put on any of my face cream. So the good thing is you really don't need much, really, with all of Avon's products. But you need about that much. You know, if you do have really dry skin, then obviously you're going to need a little bit more. Use what you need. Otherwise, just rub it all in. I still blend it in to where I had my eye cream. That gel, you know, the more the merrier. The longer I can stay looking young, the happier I'm going to be. And then that's it. So that's everything I use during the week just for my face. There will be another video in terms of what I use for my hands, my nails, and the rest of me, if that's how we want to put it. No, so I do obviously use different moisturizers, different hand creams, different nail creams, like I said. It depends on, as well, the season and what's happening. But that's a whole nother video. That's a whole nother ramble. But that's it for tonight. I hope that was a little bit interesting and a little bit helpful. Like I said, if there's any products that you want to try, or if you want to have a chat about your skin and what might work for you, just let me know, get in touch. And also, you know, if you think there's going to be a few, organise to have myself or another rep come out and we can bring a whole stack of products with us, so then you can go through, have a feel, you know, play around with them, see how they sit on your skin, and have a chat at the same time. No harm in asking. Alright, so I'm going to go to bed because I'm zonked. So you guys have a great week and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.